Hello students, welcome back to Venkat Gorla Tutorials. Today's topic is cranial nerves and their functions. In the previous video we discussed about the cranial nerves. In this video we are going to be discuss about the functions and origin of the cranial nerves. And as we discussed in the earlier class, there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Now let us see each and every cranial nerve and their origin and their functions in detail. The first cranial nerve is olfactory nerve. This is origin from the olfactory or epithelium of nasal cavity. As innervates, the distribution is olfactory lobe or olfactory bulb, and the nature of this the nerve is it's a sensory nerve. It acts as sensory nerve, and the function is sense of smell. So another second cranial nerve is called optic nerve. This optic nerve is origin retina of the eyeball, retina of the eye, and it is distribution is optic lobes of midbrain, and its nature is sensory nerves, and the function is vision or olfactory or visual activities. Vision or visual activities. And third cranial nerve is the oculomotor nerve. It is origin from the midbrain, and its distribution is eye four muscles of eyeball, like rectus muscle, inferior superior rectus muscles, and it is a motor nerve, and the function of this oculomotor nerve is the movement of eyeball. And the fourth cranial nerve is also known as pathetic nerve. It is origin from the midbrain, and the distribution is superior oblique muscles of eyeball. It is also the motor nerve. The function of this trochlear nerve is rotation of eyeball. And coming to the fifth cranial nerve is called trigeminal. As it mentioned, the trigeminal, there are three branches of this trigeminal. They are all ophthalmic nerve, maxillary nerve, mandibular nerve. The origin of this trigeminal nerve is pons viruli, and the distribution is lacrimal glands, conjunctiva, skin, cheeks, gums, teeth, and gums of lower jaw, lower lips, tongue, and ear pinna. Now the trigeminal nerve is act as a mixing nerve, and also act as what the sensory nerves. So lacrimal glands sensory. This is cheeks, gums are the word sensory. Lower jaw is mixed, and the function is skin sensation, sensation of tongue, the movement of movement, and mastication. Now coming to the sixth cranial nerve, abducens. So abducens nerve is origin from the word pons viruli of brainstem, and distribution is external rectus muscle of eyeball. It is a motor nerve, and the function is rotation of eyeball. And the seventh cranial nerve is called facial nerve. It is origin from the pons viruli, and its origin is distribution is tongue, muscles of face, neck, salivary glands, and it is also act as a mixed gland, mixed nerve, and its function is taste, facial expressions, chewing. And now coming to eighth cranial nerve. The eighth cranial nerve is called auditory nerve or acoustic nerve. This is also called acoustic nerve. Vestibulotrochlear cochlear nerve or vestibular cochlear nerve, origin from the pons viruli of brainstem, and this distribution is organ of Corti and semicircular canals. Organ of Corti and semicircular canals, and it is a sensory nerve, and its function is chewing, neck movement, equilibrium, hearing. It is the main function is equilibrium, hearing. So the next cranial nerve is called glossopharyngeal nerve. Origin is lateral side of medulla oblongata or medulla. Its distribution is parietal parotid gland, posterior to 1/3 of what the tongue, and it acts as a mixer gland. And the function is taste, touch, swallowing, and secretion of saliva. And the 10th cranial nerve, it is called the vagus nerve. This is also called pneumogastric nerve. Its origin is lateral side of medulla oblongata, and it is a distribution of the innervation, the muscles of pharynx, the muscles of vocal cords, pharynx, muscles of vocal cords, lungs, heart, stomach, intestine. It acts as mixer gland, and its function is sound production, voice box, making voice, and then speech. The other one is peristaltic movement. Now coming to the 11th cranial nerve is called spinal accessory nerve. It is also called as accessory nerve simply. It is origin from the medulla oblongata, and innervates of the distribution of these nerve is pharynx, muscles of pharynx, larynx, vocal cords, neck, shoulder, and it acts as motor nerve, and its function is movement of pharynx, the movement of muscular pharynx, movement of larynx, neck, and neck. And now coming to the last cranial nerve is hypoglossal cranial nerve. Hypoglossal, it is origin from the medulla oblongata, and it is innervates in the muscles of tongue, and the function is movement of the tongue, So these are the 12 pairs of cranial nerves, and their origin and their innervates or distribution, the nature of these the cranial nerves, and functions of these cranial nerves. So this is about cranial nerves and this function. With this video, we complete the functions of cranial nerves and their origin and their functions. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.